Hello world. This is ZK Zimbabwe Kid, and I'm here with Learn to Speak SHONA. And SHONA is a language that's spoken in Zimbabwe, one of the languages that's spoken in Zimbabwe by the SHONA people, or SHONA tribe, whatever you want to call the SHONA. Mangwanani, that is good morning in SHONA. Masikati, that is good afternoon. Maneru, that is good evening in SHONA. And that's it for the Learn to Speak SHONA. I am Zimbabwe Kid, also known to some by the name ZK, Zimbonexes. And that's it for the Learn to Speak SHONA. Peace.